Let's check in our latest yogurt concoction after sitting in the refrigerator overnight. This is the L Reuteri. So that's the texture. Feels like it got firmer. And it appears to be more like a cottage cheese texture again. It breaks apart very quickly. Okay, let's have a taste. Smooth. Has a sharp, tangy, sour taste. It tastes different from the other yogurts we've tried. So this is just the L Reuteri bacteria on its own, culturing in milk. Okay, let's check out the L Gasseri. So the L Gasseri, as you can tell, has a lot of whey on top. This is also good for you. You can drink this. You can consume this. And then the yogurt on the bottom feels smooth. It's not as cottage cheesy as the other one, as the L Reuteri. And let's do a taste test. Taste-wise, it's not as smooth as the L Reuteri. Not as, the aftertaste is gone, but it lacks that sourness and tartness. It's more mild, which tells me how much bacteria or live cultures are present. Even the whey itself is not very tart. It's just watery. Okay, so I'm wondering if most of the cultures died during the process. Now, we did culture these for 36 hours each at about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, as long as they're not bad and they don't look like they've gone bad, they seem fine, they taste fine, they look fine. So even if the cultures have died, you at least get the benefit of the protein and the fat from the milk itself. That's the worst case scenario. And that's pretty much what you're getting when you buy store-bought yogurt. I mean, I'm pretty sure that there's hardly any live cultures in there at all, if any. Maybe there might be a little bit. But based on the flavor of those yogurts, if they don't taste tart and sour, there's probably very few, if any, live cultures in there. And then they have flavoring and sugar. So basically all you're getting is the protein and fat from the original milk itself. That's the only health benefit, and very little, if any, from the actual live bacterial cultures. So the L Gasseri, very little, yeah, it has a slight sourness, but not much. The L Reuteri, yeah, more, but again, not as sharp as I would like. Not as sharp as when I combine these together and make a culture along with another yogurt or another bacteria that we've used. Okay, that's it for today.